If you're here, it's not by accident. Maybe you've tried to quit before, but every time you end up back where you started, feeling weak, guilty, and stuck in the same cycle. I know that pain, but here's the truth. Lust isn't who you are. It's just a habit your brain has learned, and habits can be unlearned. Let me show you how. Step 1. See lust for what it is. Lust is not pleasure, it's a trap. It gives you a quick dopamine hit, but steals your focus, motivation, and confidence. Every time you give in, you feel emptier than before. The first step to breaking free is seeing it clearly. Lust is a thief, not a friend. Step 2. Take back your energy. Your sexual energy isn't your enemy, it's your power. When you waste it, you feel weak. But when you save it and redirect it into the gym, your work, your goals, it becomes fuel. That same energy that once destroyed you can actually build you. That's how men transform. Step 3. Remove the triggers. You can't expect to win if you're surrounded by traps, the late night scrolling, the toxic accounts, the lonely moments where temptation hits hardest. You need to cut them off. Delete what pulls you back. Create an environment where your brain has room to heal. You can't fight 24/7 if you're constantly being ambushed. Step 4. Replace, don't just resist. Willpower isn't enough. If all you do is try not to, you'll fail. Instead, replace it. When the urge hits, move your body, do push-ups, start writing your thoughts. Train your brain to look for growth instead of destruction. Every time you replace lust with action, you're rewiring yourself. Step 5. Small wins become big wins. Don't chase perfection, chase progress. One day turns into 3, 3 into a week into a month. Each win builds momentum. And soon, lust doesn't control you anymore. You control it. That's real freedom. Listen, lust wants to keep you weak, distracted, and addicted. But you're not meant for that. You're meant to be focused, disciplined, powerful. If you start today, if you apply these steps daily, you won't just defeat lust, you'll take your life back. The next move is yours.